Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Day of the Dead surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today.
Now to start off with our sugar skull surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to line up both corners, and I'm going to give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to fold it one more time, line up the corners, and give it another nice fold. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. Now to start off with this, let's begin by drawing the head. I'm going to start here, and I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to curve up to about here. Then I'll leave some space, and I'll do the same thing over here. Just curve a line up and in to about here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come right across the top of here. And we'll just make sure these lines are connected up there. Then let's go ahead and draw a line that comes in on each side. Next, let's draw a big, skinny oval shape. It's just going to come around. It's going to come over here and then back to here. Then we'll draw two lines that come up on each side. And then we will connect the line just like this. Next, I'm going to draw a line that just goes right to the top of my paper on each side. I'll draw a little line across. And then I'll throw in some little zigzag lines right across here for our sombrero. Next, I'll add a little circle and some little curvy lines so it looks like there's a little flower on the sombrero. Next, starting here, let's draw a line that comes down on each side, kind of at an angle. Then we'll draw a line that comes over and then connects. Underneath here, let's draw two lines that come down. And then a little curve to connect them. And then I'm going to add another little line right inside of here. Then I'm going to bring this line down on each side. And then right here, we're going to draw a line that goes out and in and then back out. Same thing here, out and in and then back out. We'll do that same shape on the outside of each of these. So we're just going to go out and in and then back out. Next, I'm going to draw a line that goes out and then down. And same thing here, out and then down. Curve a line down here, and curve a line down here. Then I'll just make some little bumps right on the inside of here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a circle for an eye. Then I'm going to leave some space, and I'll make another big circle for an eye right here. For the nose, let's draw a line that comes up and down. And then we'll make two little bumps underneath here for the bottom. And then right here, we'll make a little smiley face shape. Next, let's add some details. So I'm going to draw some bumps right around the eye. So we're going to put this around each eye so it kind of looks like it's a flower pattern around each one. So I'll do that to both eyes. We'll just go ahead and draw this little flower pattern right around each one. Next, I'm going to draw a couple circles right here. And then I'll draw a couple little lines that come in on each side over here. I'll draw a little half circle on each side for some more details. And then right here I'll draw a line that's going to curve up and down. Then a line that's going to curve out and in. And then one more over here. Now, after we have our Day of the Dead skull all drawn out, I'm going to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we open this up, we have two halves of our sugar skull. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this line down a little bit on each side. Then I'll bring this line up on each side. Now, right here, I want to make a mustache. So I'm going to start right underneath the nose, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up, it's going to come down, and it's going to curve around. I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to come up, down, and then I'm just going to curl it around. Next, I'm going to bring this over to here. And then same thing, I'm going to bring this right over to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down on each side. And then right in here, I'm going to add some teeth. So I'm going to draw a line that goes down. I'm going to come over and up, and then over and up, over and up, over and up, and same thing here, over and up, over and up. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that kind of goes down, over, and up. And I'm going to add some teeth in here. We're just going to go up, over, and down, and we'll just make a few more little teeth in here. And we'll do the same thing on the side. Now, I want to add some kind of fun Day of the Dead different items inside of here. So the first thing I want to do is let's add a flower in here, since there are a lot of flowers in the Day of the Dead. So I'm going to begin by making a circle. And then I'm just going to make some big bumps right around here for some different petals. And then I'm going to add another set of petals right in between each one, just to kind of fill up the flower a little bit. I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve off and come back. And another one, just going to kind of curve it around and then bring it back. Then I'll draw a little line down each side and put a couple little V shapes on here for the leaves. Now, over here, I want to make a maraca, since music is so important on the Day of the Dead. So I'm going to begin by making a nice big circle shape. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to curve around and come up. I'll add a few little curved lines right on here. And then I'll put a little zigzag line right across the center of the maraca. Next, over here, I'm going to add a guitar, because like I said, the music is so important. So I'm going to begin right here by making a curved line like this. I'm going to draw a big curve shape like this. Then I'm going to redraw that kind of outline right on here. I'm going to draw a line that comes up, over, and down. And then one more little line here. Then I'm going to make a nice big square shape on the top. I'm going to make a circle here. And then a long rectangle right here. And then I'm going to draw a couple lines coming down here to make it look like a guitar. Then over here, I'm going to make a little bone. So I'm going to draw 2 little bumps here, 2 straight lines, and then 2 more bumps. And then over here, I'm going to draw a candle. So I'm going to make 2 lines that come down, a little curve, a wiggly line, and then a line across. And then a little point, and then a circle on top. Next, we just need to connect these lines. So I'm going to connect this line up here, and I'm going to connect this line here. And then I'll draw 2 lines coming down here for the mouth. And then just to kind of finish it off, I'm going to make a couple little half circle shapes on the side here just to show there's a little more detail. And there you go. There is your Day of the Dead surprise fold. So when I have this all closed up, I've got a little smiling Day of the Dead skull. And then when I open it up, we can see his mouth is open. He's got a lot of fun Day of the Dead things popping out. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.